Hello everyone and welcome to today's session on bibliography and references in research. Referencing is one of the most important aspects of academic writing and research. No matter how strong your research findings are, your work may lose credibility if sources are not properly acknowledged. In this session, we will understand the meaning of bibliography and references, their differences, the importance of referencing in research report, and the major referencing style used across the world, including APA, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, IEEE, etc. This session is especially useful for undergraduate students, postgraduate students, PhD scholars, and researchers who are involved in writing assignment, dissertation, thesis, journal article, or research reports. So let's begin by understanding our learning objective. Learning objectives. At the end of this session, you should be able to clearly explain the concept of bibliography and references. You will understand why proper citation is essential in research and how it helps to maintain academic integrity. You will also learn about various referencing styles and understand that different academic disciplines follow different citation formats. For example, social sciences often use APA style, humanities commonly use MLA style, while engineering and computer science frequently use IEEE style. Finally, we will discuss practical examples and common mistakes so that you can confidently prepare references in your own research work. What is a bibliography? Understand. A bibliography is a comprehensive list of all the material that a researcher has consulted during the research process. Here, the keywords is consulted. It means that even if a source is not directly cited in the final report, it may still appear in the bibliography if it is contribute to the researcher's understanding of the topic. For example, imagine that you are conducting research on leadership or any other field, any other topic, right? You read 50 journal articles, 10 books, and several reports. However, only 25 articles are directly cited in your final research paper, but the bibliography may include all the materials you consulted because they help to shape your understanding of the topic. Therefore, a bibliography demonstrates the depth and breadth of the literature reviewed by the researcher. What is the meaning of references? References are different from a bibliography. A reference list contains only those sources that have been cited within the text of the research report, research paper, review paper, conference paper, etc. Whenever you quote, paraphrase, summarize, or refers to another author's work, you must provide an in-text citation and include the complete source details in the reference list. For example, according to Goldman 2020, emotional intelligence contributes significantly to workplace effectiveness. Since this statement cites Goldman work, the full publication details must appear in the reference section. A simple way to remember this concept is bibliography means source consulted and references means source cited. Students often confuse bibliography and references because both involve listing sources. However, there is a major difference. Bibliography includes everything you consulted during your research journey, but references include only those sources that appear in your text. For example, suppose you read 40 articles but cite only 20. Your bibliography may contain all 40 articles, but your reference list will contain only 20 articles. Thus, references are actually a subset of the bibliography. This difference is frequently asked in examination and viva session. Importance of bibliography in research. A bibliography serves several important purposes in research. First, It demonstrates that the researcher has thoroughly explored the existing literature. Second, it enhances the credibility of the study because reader can see the sources consulted. Third, it promotes transparency by showing where information was obtained. Fourth, it assists future researchers who may wish to explore the same topic. Finally, a well-prepared bibliography reflects academic rigor and scholarly commitment. So, a strong bibliography often indicates that the researcher has invested significant efforts in understanding the research problem. Why is reference important? Let's understand. Referencing is essential for ethical and professional research. Whenever we use another person's ideas, theories, data, or finding, we must acknowledge the original source. Failure to do so may result in plagiarism. Plagiarism is considered a serious academic offense because it involves presenting someone else's work as your own. Proper referencing also strengthens your argument because reader can verify the sources and assess the quality of evidence supporting your claims. For example, citing peer-reviewed journal articles increase the reliability of your research compared to the unsupported personal opinion. That's why reference is important. Cite. Types of referencing style. First, understand APA reference style. APA stands for the American Psychological Association. It is one of the most widely used referencing style in social sciences, education, management, psychology, and business research. APA follow the author date citation system. इसमें बेसिकली क्या होता है, इसमें अगर हम APA स्टाइल में अगर अपनी रेफरेंसेस को लिख रहे हैं, अगर आपके एक ऑथर है तो आप डायरेक्टली ऑथर का नाम डाल दोगे और ईयर डाल दोगे. 2 ऑथर हैं तो उसके लिए हम AND एंड नहीं लिखते, ये एंड इस तरीके से लिखा जाता है जो मैंने एग्जाम्पल में इंटेक्स साइटेशन में दिया है. और अगर 3 और 3 से ज़्यादा ऑथर है तो जनरली हम एटल का यूज़ करते हैं. एटल मीन्स और अदर, राइट. जनरल का रेफरेंस कैसे होता है, सबसे पहले ऑथर का जो सरनेम होता है वो पहले लिखा जाता है, फिर नेम, देन ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन, टाइटल ऑफ द पेपर, देन टाइटल ऑफ द जर्नल, इशू नंबर, पेज नंबर एंड DOI. अब ये इशू नंबर क्या होता है, जब हम किसी जर्नल को देखते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी जर्नल है, एमराल्ड की जर्नल है, सेज पब्लिकेशन की जर्नल है, तो हर जर्नल पर ये मेंशन होता है कि वो कितने इशू कर रही है. किसी जर्नल पे 6 इश्यूज़ पर ईयर लिखा होता है, किसी पे 2 इश्यूज़. तो इसका मतलब ये होता है अगर 6 इश्यूज़ लिख रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वो जो जर्नल है वो साल में 6 बार पेपर पब्लिश कर रही है. ठीक है, अगर 2 इश्यूज़ पर ईयर है यानी कि उसकी जो पेपर पब्लिकेशन है वो हाफ ईयरली है. तो इस तरीके से जो स्पेशल इशू होते हैं उनके लिए कॉल भी आती हैं. तो ये बेसिकली जो आपका पेपर जिस इशू में पब्लिश होता है उसका इशू नंबर यहाँ पर डाला जाता है और पेज नंबर डाले जाते हैं. अब बात आती है DOI. DOI क्या होती है, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आइडेंटिफायर. अगर आपका पेपर किसी क्वालिटी जर्नल में पब्लिश होता है, अच्छी जर्नल में, पीयर रिव्यू में, तो आपको एक नंबर दिया जाता है जिसको हम DOI बोलते हैं. ये हर एक पेपर को अलग अलग मिलता है और इसके बेस पर ही ये आपकी यूनिक ID बोल सकते हैं इसको हम पेपर की, जिसके बेस पर आप अपने पेपर को फाइंड करते हो. Next is MLA style. MLA stand for Modern Language Association. This style is widely used in literature, language studies, arts and humanities. Unlike APA, MLA emphasize page number rather than publication year. For example, in-text citation, Sylvia and Lata 5. तो यहाँ पर AND, वहाँ पर हम AND अलग तरीके से लिख रहे थे और यहाँ पर हम AND लिखते हैं. यही इसका मेन डिफरेंस होता है MLA और APA का. ठीक है, वहाँ पर हम जनरली क्या कर रहे थे, इंटेक्स साइटेशन में ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन डाल रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या डाला जाएगा, पेज नंबर डाला जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जनरल रेफरेंसिंग स्टाइल वही सेम है. रेफरेंसिंग स्टाइल जो होती है वही पेज नंबर भी लिखा जाता है, इशू भी लिखा जाता है, DOI भी लिखी जाती है, सब कुछ लिखा जाता है, लेकिन जो फॉर्मेटिंग होती है उसमें थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से वो APA बन जाती है, MLA बन जाती है और IEEE बन जाती है। अदरवाइज जो कंटेंट होता है, जो चीज़ें होती हैं, वही सेम डाली जाती हैं। हार्वर्ड रेफरेंस स्टाइल। Harvard referencing is one of the oldest and most popular citation system. Like APA, Harvard follow the author date format. In index citation, Sylvia and Lata 2025 and full reference here I have mentioned. तो जो मेन डिफरेंस है हार्वर्ड में और APA में वो क्या है? वो है AND एंड का, राइट। और वहाँ जब हम APA में फुल रेफरेंस डालते थे तो वहाँ पर ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन के बाद पेपर का जो टाइटल होता था वो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में नहीं लिखा जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखते हैं। यही इसका मेन डिफरेंस होता है। Means in Harvard style, the year appear immediately after the author's name. General article titles are placed within single quotation marks, while general names are italicized. The main difference between APA and Harvard lie in formatting convention rather than citation principles. Many universities around the world adopt Harvard referencing because of its simplicity and flexibility. Chicago style. It is commonly used in history and humanities. One unique feature of Chicago style is that it's offered two documentation system. The first is the notes and bibliography system, which uses footnotes or endnotes, and the second is the author date system, which resembles APA and Harvard. IEEE and Vancouver's style. In IEEE and Vancouver styles use numerical citations instead of author names. In IEEE style, references are numbered according to the order in which they appear in the text. For example, artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare. It can be written as 1 in bracket. Similarly, Vancouver style is widely used in medicine and health sciences. For example, the treatment was found effective in bracket we cite 1. मतलब अगर आपने रेफरेंस लिस्ट में इस स्टेटमेंट की, मतलब इस ऑथर की जो एक्चुअल सोर्स है उसको फर्स्ट नंबर पर लिखा है, तो यहाँ पर हम फर्स्ट एक लिख देंगे ब्रैकेट में। अगर 5वें छठे मतलब जिस नंबर पर भी फुल रेफरेंस डाली होती है वही नंबर आ जाता है। लेकिन APA में क्या होता था, ऑथर का नाम आता था, ईयर ऑफ पब्लिकेशन, लेकिन यहाँ पर सिर्फ नंबर सिस्टम चलता है। बिकॉज दीज स्टाइल सेव्स स्पेस एंड आर पर्टिकुलरली यूजफुल व्हेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स कंटेन न्यूमरस citations. This table summarizes the key difference among major referencing styles. Notice that APA and Harvard use author date citations, MLA use author page citation, IEEE and Vancouver use numerical citations. When preparing research work, always follow the guideline specified by your university supervisor, journal or publisher, because consistency is more important than personal preference. Reference management tools. Managing hundreds of references manually can be challenging. Fortunately, reference management softwares can simplify the process. Mendeley, Zotero, and EndNote are among the most popular tools used by researchers worldwide. These tools help to organize literature, store PDFs, generate citations automatically, and switch between different referencing styles with just a few clicks. For PhD scholars and researchers, learning these tools can save considerable time and improve accuracy. Conclusion. Let's just conclude today's session. We learned that bibliography and references are not identical concepts. A bibliography includes all material consulted during research, whereas references include only those sources cited within the text. We also learned that proper referencing is essential for giving credit to original authors, preventing plagiarism, enhancing credibility, and maintaining academic integrity. Finally, we explored major referencing styles such as APA, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, IEEE, and Vancouver, each of which serve different academic disciplines. As a researchers, we must always ensure that our citations are accurate, consistent, and aligned with the required style guidelines. Because good research is built on good references. So, read sources, cite properly, create references, avoid plagiarism, and publish credible research. Thank you for your attention. I hope this session has helped you to understand bibliography, references, and referencing style more clearly. If you found this video and today's session is helpful for you, then you can appreciate me by like, subscribe, and share. And I would now be happy to take any question. Thank you so much.